This is Chris. He's a curly spider plant. He's one of our favourites at Patch and has been a popular houseplant for decades because he's really easy to look after. Chris will live in virtually any light conditions, from shade to bright light. The only light he won't enjoy is direct sun because it can cause browning on his leaves. On a desk or shelf or as a hanging plant, he'll look great. Chris is really forgiving of forgetful waterers. In fact, he likes to dry out fully between drinks. You will need to water him sometimes, but he'll cope happily if you miss a few weeks. If your plant is growing happily, you'll probably start to see little plantlets on the end of long stems. We call these pups. They're basically little baby plants. In the wild, these would root in the ground and help the plant to spread. You can carefully pinch these off and put them in soil to grow yourself a whole new plant. Like all Patch plants, Chris comes in a brown nursery pot. This has holes in the bottom to allow the water to drain. We have loads of decorative pots to choose from, and the website will tell you which size pot your plant needs. You don't need to remove him from the nursery pot, just place it into the decorative pot like this. To learn more about how to care for your houseplants, search for the free Patch Houseplant Parenting course.